Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Master. In the previous tutorial, we talked about abstract classes. We had a working session. We created one vehicle class, which was an abstract class with two methods. One was the non-abstract method called stop engine, and one was an abstract method that is start engine. So we created two subclasses. One was Jaguar and one was BMW, which extended the vehicle class. And we understood how abstract classes work and how it provides partial abstraction. So in this tutorial, we are actually going to learn about interface and why interface provides 100% abstraction. So let's get started. So I've moved everything, all the classes that we have created into the abstract class folder. And now we are going to create another folder called interface. So I'm going to create a new interface, which is called vehicle. So not I'm selecting it as an interface. So it's created as public interface vehicle. And in the previous section, we created two functions in the vehicles class. So which was a start engine and stop engine. Likewise, we are creating the same here. The only difference being this is a interface class, and the other one in the part 2 tutorial we had a abstract class. It's the same but different ways of abstraction. I'm creating a Jaguar class and also a BMW class. So in abstract classes we were actually extending the vehicle class, but since this is an interface we have to implement. Okay, so now we implemented the vehicle class. As you can see, all these methods, right? Both of these methods have been exported into this particular classes, which is the BMW and Jaguar class. We have all those functions here. In abstract class, we had a few data parameters like color, brand, and model name. But right now, we can't include that in a vehicle class because it's an interface, and interface doesn't have data members in it. So right now, we are going to create data members in each of these classes. Just brand and name, just the model name. And we have to create a constructor for it. And in BMW class as well. Oh, I actually forgot to create those. Let me copy paste it from the Java class. So now we are good to go. And so we'll provide the implementations here for each of these functions. Start engine, we are just printing engine started. It was like Jaguar engine started. And first off engine, nothing but engine stopped. The same for, let me copy paste it. For BMW, it's the same, except the name is different. Okay, so now we have created this one. So we'll create a main class and execute both of them. Okay, let me create the vehicle class equal to new Jaguar. That's the default constructor. For the Jaguar, we're giving the color as blue, and brand we are giving it as Jaguar, and for model name, giving it as I-Pace. Fine. And let me rename it as Jaguar. So let's see, Jaguar dot start engine and Jaguar dot stop engine. Let's execute this and see what happens. Yeah, it's giving us the correct output. It's saying Jaguar engine started and engine stopped. And if you rename this as BMW, and let me change the color. Uh, okay, now I've created the instance as a BMW. It was previously Jaguar, so I changed the vehicle class and its initialization as a BMW instance. And right now we have called those start engine and stop engine methods. And let's execute this one. As you can see, it has changed from Jaguar engine starter to BMW engine starter. So, so that's the difference. So you can now see that the vehicle class, right? It's an interface here, and previously it was a abstract class. So we changed it to an interface. So the thing with an interface is that it provides 100% abstraction. Mm, to understand, you can see we provided two abstract methods, right? We provided two abstract methods, but in case of an abstract class, if you look at the vehicles class in abstract class tutorial, you can see we were providing one abstract function and another one was a concrete function. But for interface, we created both of them. We cannot provide an implementation over here in an interface. It's not possible. Although in Java 8 there are some default constructor and everything introduced that is possible, but still in vehicles, but still in interface we don't usually provide the implementation for it. We only provide the abstract methods, and we implemented these into the Jaguar and BMW classes. So that's what happens when you create an interface. So hope you understood the difference between an abstract class and an interface. If you like this video, you can like and subscribe. Thanks.